Did you know that a simple vegetable could be your secret weapon in controlling diabetes? That's right, okra, also known as lady's finger, is an underrated veggie that can be a game changer for your health and diabetes control. In today's video, we will talk about the science behind okra and delicious methods, cooked, uncooked, raw, or even in supplement form, to incorporate it into your daily routine. Plus, stick around till the end for some important tips on how to maximize okra's power for your health. But let's start with, what's the science behind it? Research shows that okra may help regulate blood sugar levels. In animal studies, okra extract has been found to lower blood glucose and improve cholesterol levels, indicating its potential for managing both. It may also inhibit enzymes that digest carbohydrates, which slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream and prevents sugar spikes after meals. In another research, it is stated that okra is rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation common in diabetes. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also reduce insulin resistance. Moreover, the fiber in okra aids in glycemic control by slowing sugar absorption, while research suggests okra may improve insulin sensitivity, making the body more efficient at using insulin. It also contains compounds like polysaccharides and saponins that can further enhance glucose uptake and lower blood sugar. Now, methods to incorporate okra into your diet for glycemic control. 1. Okra water preparation. 1. Wash and cut 2 to 3 fresh okra pods into small pieces. 2. Soak them in a glass of water overnight. 3. In the morning, remove the okra pieces and drink the water on an empty stomach. Benefits. The mucilage in okra, which leaches into the water, may help lower blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption in the intestines. 2. Raw okra. Eating raw okra is a simple way to benefit from its high fiber content, which helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Add sliced raw okra to salads or eat it as a snack. 3. Okra powder preparation. 1. Dry fresh okra pods in the sun or a dehydrator until they are completely dry. 2. Grind the dried okra into a fine powder using a blender or coffee grinder. Usage. Take half a teaspoon of okra powder mixed with water, milk, or in a smoothie daily. This powder can help regulate blood sugar levels due to its fiber and antioxidant content. For cooked okra, including cooked okra in meals can also contribute to glycemic control. Okra can be added to soups, stews, and stir-fries. Cooking okra in a way that retains its mucilage, the sticky substance, can help maintain its blood sugar lowering properties. Avoid overcooking, as it can reduce the nutritional value. 5. Okra capsules or supplements. If fresh okra isn't readily available or convenient, okra extract capsules or supplements can be used. Look for products that contain natural okra extract without added sugars or fillers. Consult a healthcare provider before adding any supplement to your regimen, especially if you are on medication for diabetes. Now, some important tips. Consistency. To see benefits, consume okra regularly as part of your diet. It may take several weeks to notice changes in blood sugar levels. Diet integration. Include okra alongside a balanced diet that is low in refined sugars and high in fiber. Pairing okra with protein and healthy fats can further help stabilize blood sugar levels. Monitoring. If you are using okra for glycemic control, regularly monitor your blood sugar levels to assess its effectiveness. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe.